Hello everyone, I'm David. I'm here again with you. Thank you very much. And I want to dedicate a short video to you where I'll talk very specifically, I hope, about how to truly optimize T3 conversion. I apologize in advance for my English, which isn't very good, but the important thing, I think, is to try and get the message across. If you've watched it and analyzed the videos on my channel, you'll have noticed that I try to emphasize this idea of conversion a lot. T4 to T3, free T3, monitoring reverse T3, and how much our metabolism depends on this conversion. You see, thyroid hormones are the most important hormones in the body. Yeah, the most important, without a doubt. I repeat, the most important, without a doubt. Without a doubt. I've spent many years studying them and helping people manage their thyroid hormone balance, and especially improving their conversion without relying on so much medication or so many products. I want to share a key concept with you. Muscle quality. Remember this concept, muscle quality. Yes, muscle is the most important tissue for maintaining T3 conversion. T3 conversion. Maintaining T3 conversion is the best shield against inflammation, the best shield against any metabolic setback. Not only does it improve conversion, but it also helps us clear or reduce reverse T3 levels. Stress, lack of sleep, agrochemicals, overtraining, travel, calorie restriction, all of these complicate conversion and rise reverse T3 levels. This is actually desirable for the body, as it protects us. Yeah, protects us. Conversion takes place primarily in the liver, but the kidneys, gut and muscles also contribute, and of course the nervous system, mainly astrocytes, also plays a role. That said, if you're looking to optimize your conversion, which will help you not only lose weight, but also boost your antioxidant capacity, because T3 is the most important antioxidant in the blood. Yeah, even more so than uric acid or melatonin. You should consider this. T3 regulates the entry of water and minerals into cells. Yeah, regulates the entry of water and minerals into cells. Nothing stresses a cell more than retaining water and being enabled to release it. If you want to improve your conversion, focus on building muscle mass. Not without obsess, but focus on building muscle mass. Don't just focus on lifting dumbbells or doing cable rows. And included dietetic strategies like adding selenium, vitamin D, zinc won't solve the problem. It's the same old thing. And it doesn't work for many people because they're not addressing the foundation, the basis of the pyramid. Work on your mobility, flexibility, do gentle cardio, go to bed early, and don't eat dinner too late. Don't forget that thyroid hormones travel through the blood, which is inside blood vessels. We also need to take care of our blood circulation. Okay? Repeat, we also need to take care of our blood circulation. The exercise is very important to build muscle. Don't forget this, okay? If you want to optimize the T3 conversion, exercise, move, lift weight, sleep well, rest, physical rest and mental rest. Two is very important for the health, okay? T3 optimization, conversion. T3 optimization, conversion, quality muscle. To beat inflammation. Support the liver, support the kidneys, support the gut, support the heart, support the nervous system, but quality muscle is the best seal to get this. Thank you very much and see you later.